Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are going to bake up some Cornish hens. We haven't had these in a while, and sometimes we eat chicken, kind of forget about these little tender birds here. So let's go ahead and jump in. Get your oven preheated to 400 Fahrenheit. Bring your Cornish hens to room temperature. Let them set out at least half hour. Clean them off however you'd like to clean them. Pat them dry, and then we're going to get them rubbed down with some oil or butter of your choice. That way the seasonings we're going to put on this will stick to it and help and moisten this chicken up. Probably a tablespoon or so on each one. But I'm going to go ahead and do this on both sides. Okay, got those all rubbed down. Now if you want to, that's up to you, loosely here, pick up that skin without trying to rip it away from the meat there, and just put your pat of butter underneath there. Some cold butter. Now everything you need for this is in the description box. Spices I'm using. Now you can use whatever you'd like. Whatever spices you like. We got our butter under there. Okay. Now I got, like I said, all that oil on there. Now you're going to put lots of seasoning right inside here. Get plenty of seasoning inside. That's going to help season that breast right there with some good flavor. And I'm going to put my seasoning all over this. And I'm going to let this hang out at least 15 minutes before I put it in the oven. I probably shouldn't have preheated my oven right now, but I want this to sit here and pick up some of that flavor. And I'll do the same to the other side. Give it plenty of spice, y'all. And now I'm going to repeat the process with the next one. Okay, finished that up. I got me some vegetables. You can use whatever you like. I got some baby golds and some carrots. You can see how I got them kind of separated because you want the air to ventilate and cook evenly around that chicken. And maybe every 20 minutes, baste it with those drippings. Baste that chicken, keep it moist. And if your vegetables aren't done before the chicken is done, because you don't want to overbake your chicken, just take your birds out and put your vegetables back in the oven and let them cook till they're fork tender. But even in the oven they go, uncovered. We're baking at 400 Fahrenheit until your internal temperature is 165 in the thickest part of the meat there. It usually takes maybe 50 minutes to 70 minutes. It'll get nice and golden brown. So in the oven it goes. Okay, friends, there are the Cornish hens, the little chickens. Mine baked for 70 minutes, a little over an hour. Ovens vary. Just make sure your internal temperature is good, and there's our dinner. And I'm going to make up some packaged rice, the Uncle Ben's with the garden vegetables. A dinner idea for y'all, and this is delicious. I don't want to cut it though because husband's not here yet. This is our dinner. But there it is. There it is. My vegetables did have to roast a little bit longer. Those potatoes took forever. But I tasted one a while ago. Boy, are they good. But you guys enjoy that. A lot of us haven't had it in a while. I know I haven't. I think the last time I made that was probably a few years ago. But I wanted to make it up and share it with y'all. This is our dinner. So till next time, you guys stay safe. Love one another. Take care of one another. Be there for one another. And I love y'all. Y'all have a great evening. Bye-bye.